start
You
the
know
stream
it.
with?
You love it. It's powered by AORUS.
Ah, there you go.
Yes.
Yes.
If you guys don't know, every AORUS TV stream, we ask you, the community, to submit your own builds, and we get to look at it. Look at this build. It looks so cool.
Wow.
Overchilled.
This looks like a PCMR themed.
Yeah, you can see on the bottom. But definitely rocking. I can already tell it's rocking our motherboard. Obviously, Thermaltake is on there as well. But
I see
you know
a
what?
go-kart.
This is definitely some racing theme here.
Racing theme. Wow. I like what they did with our water block.
Isn't that nice?
Yeah. Is that like Legos? It looks like Legos. Those are some clean curves on that tubing.
That's some pure Yeah, I love this too.
Oh man, we got a whole theme for this one.
Overchill did an amazing job with this. He's wearing the jacket.
I'm surprised this thing can balance. Just looks like it's about to fall over.
Oh, this is gorgeous. Thank you so much, Overchilled, for again sharing this amazing build and including our hardware in this gorgeous rig. Yeah, that's a great choice. Now we're looking at tag mods and simple mods from Facebook. So far we're looking at
some clean cables.
Okay. He's got, like, what is that, like a bonsai tree on the left? What is that?
It does look like it is a bonsai tree.
Oh, because we're blocking it. The camera, our camera's blocking everything. Tag and simple. Let's see what you got. So let's take a look at the actual system itself.
Okay, another water cooled.
It's built into the side of the desk too.
Oh, yeah, it's mounted, yeah.
Yeah, if you go back to the first one, you can see that it is on the side of the desk. And then we get a little closer view.
I think this is also a Thermaltake case.
Yeah.
I think it's the same one that we have behind us.
True. Oh, true.
Yeah.
Oh, so good. Why am I getting Appa vibes from the arrow?
Wait, is it? Yeah. Little avatar. Is this avatar themed?
Oh, is this? This is air themed?
Yeah.
Or water?
Is it? That does look like the...
It looks like the bison.
Huh.
Oh, I'm curious. Oh, we need to look this up now.
It has to be.
It has to be.
Right? What do you guys think?
Gorgeous. We got our motherboard sitting in there in this beautiful, beautiful setup. Oh, it looks absolutely gorgeous. You got the whole liquid cooled setup too. Going straight into the CPU.
Let's see.
Everything's a solid color too. And just to mention too, the cables also matching the theme too.